Hi, my name is Anjani Bhaskar Sharma. I'm from David Owens Middle School in New Jersey. Today I'm going to be talking about my project, which is hacking the human brain. We are currently living in the 21st century and there has been many developments in technology. Such broad example is the phones we carry today. Compared to the phones we currently possess, the ones from the 1900s has changed drastically. Year by year, technology is still getting refined. We have experienced many technology revolutions and there's yet one more to come. Have you ever wondered if there was something else we can hack other than computers and phones? Well, there is. We can hack the human brain. What if we did that? Hacking the human brain is the next level of technology. This can help cure many personality disorders, physical or mental disabilities, or even depression. With this life-changing invention, we'll finally be able to understand the human brain and how to cure its diseases. Though there are many dangerous side effects lurking around the idea of hacking the human brain, we can prevent them and use this technology for the good of others. This chosen technology falls under the category of global health. I believe that this technology addresses the solution to all the major problems regarding the brain ever recorded in this world. The human brain is a complicated system, and to hack it, the process is going to be complicated as well. But it's worth it in the end. To manipulate the human brain, light is enough. We can use light and aim it at certain parts of the brain to stimulate the desired parts of the brain. But first, we need to teach the cells to use light as an input source. In order to do so, we need to take a gene from another organism that uses light to survive. Such example is algae. Because we humans use the same genetic and cellular mechanism as them. This gene is then inserted into the desired neurons or brain cells, and these genes will be non-reproductive. These genes encode proteins that allow the neurons or brain cells to act as a solar cell. As a result, when the light is aimed, it will convert it into an electrical signal, so those cells without this new DNA will be considered inactive. This system embedded in one's brain can make them happy with the push of a button or control the movements by playing with the light. The other way to hack the brain, the doctors will have to implant a small device in the brain. This is only for some certain patients who can go through the first option. This device will be controlling the signals sent to the brain and the brain's response. In simpler terms, this device will be taking charge of the neurons, and this will be handled by a doctor. So a doctor will be having leadership in maintaining which signals the device should take hold and which signals should pass to reach the brain. For example, when someone gets a paper cut, the sensory receptors, the skin, send signals to the nerves, then to the spinal cord, then to the brainstem, and finally onto the brain, where the pain is then registered. This is how one feels pain. But for a person with this device in their brain, the doctor can stop the nerve cells from transferring the signal to the spinal cord, which makes the patient not feel pain. This technique could also be used to stop such nerve signals being passed that might make the person depressed, angry, sad, or any other unhealthy emotions that might trigger a response that might harm them. These temporary nerve blocks are like giving anesthesia. By using this treatment method, the doctor can manipulate the signals sent by the neurons and the brain. These two ways of healthily hacking the brain can help many people come out of their mental disabilities. Though the thought of manipulating the brain may give rise to unwanted risks and dangers, when it is used for the good purpose, it can help cure many brain disorders. Thank you.